welcome to my channel. My name is Aisha and I will be showing you guys how I made this beautiful round backdrop for a 35th birthday. What we will need today to accomplish this backdrop is an electronic balloon blower, a manual one as well if you guys would like to, some light pink balloons, some rose gold. When it comes to the hot pink and the purple, we will need size 12 and 5 inches for each color. We will also need some Q260s and some fish line to attach the balloon to the backdrop. Guys, this is the backdrop I will be using. The cover doesn't belong to the backdrop, I just made it happen. If you guys are interested, I will be attaching a link of where I purchased it below. Now my favorite part, let's blow out some balloons. I'm now done blowing up all the balloons, the hot pink, the light pink, the purple, the rose gold. They all look beautiful. I had so much fun, guys. In this video, I will be showing you guys two ways on how to combine the balloons together. The first one is by using a balloon garland strip. The second one is by using some Q260s. Let's add all the same colors together and then we will proceed with the rest of the color. I'm not sure if you guys could see it, but the balloon garland strip comes with two holes. One of them is big, one of them is small. What you have to do is to use the end of the balloon and enter it through that big hole first, then slide it into the second one in order for you to be able to lock it so that the balloon doesn't come out. The end of the balloon is inside the big hole. I will slide it into the small one and lock it so that it doesn't come out. I will continue the same process until I'm done using all the pink, all the purple, the rose gold and the hot pink. Guys, look how beautiful the rose gold looks like. I also love the hot pink as well as the light pink and the purple. I believe they all came out very nice. What you guys could do, if you have any excess on each one of them, you could cut the excess strip and use it to form another globe. It's up to you guys, but I usually cut them and use it for different globe. Another way to make a balloon cluster without using a strip is by using 4 balloons and attach 2 balloons together, make them into a pair and combine both pair of balloons together, wrap them around each other so that they don't fall apart. After that, you will need 2 Q260s, tie them together and use the Q260 and tie it around the cluster, and voila, you have your balloon cluster without using a strip. It's very easy, it's fast, and anybody could do it. As you guys could see, the Q260 that I have used to attach between the cluster, I'm using the rest of it to attach those clusters to each other on the backdrop. I'm showing you guys again how I use the Q260 to combine all the balloons together in order for me to have this beautiful garland. I'm continuing the same process until I'm done with all my balloons. Guys, now I'm showing you guys how I will attach the balloon garland strip that I previously made to the backdrop. All you have to do is to use a Q260 and tie it between one of the hole on the strip, and then use that Q260 to attach it around the rest of the balloons. Look how beautiful it looks like. I don't know about you guys, but I really love it. I'm showing you guys in different angles, but so far it looks beautiful. It is my favorite time again. It's time to blow out all the small balloons. What we will do next is to use some rubber band and attach them around the small balloons so that we'll be able to combine those small balloons to the big one. As you guys could see, I'm using the rubber band to attach the small balloons to the big one. This is how it looks like so far with the small balloons. I'm very excited. It's coming along. Again, I'm showing you guys different angles of the backdrop, and now we're blowing out all the big balloons. We will use a Q260 to attach all the big balloons to the backdrop. This is how it looks like with the big balloons. I'm so excited to show you guys the finished product. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more content.